Hi everyone! This week we are getting started with week 11. It is getting one step closer to our little fall break we get in a couple of weeks, and I'm sure you are all looking forward to it. So let's look at what we're going to do. Week 11. So this week we're going to be working on our proposal rough draft. So let's go ahead and take a look at the labor number 4 project handout to see what that looks like. So just a reminder, the labor number 4 project gives you all of the instructions for what you need to include in your assignment up here before the breakdowns into the weekly instructions. So I've given you the requirements of the sections, as well as you have to have the following components. So you have a really pretty thorough outline to get started from. So be sure to reference this and use it as you're going to make sure that you have everything you need for your draft. So this week, week 11, what are we doing? Week 11, we're going to read the sample proposal on Moodle so you can get an idea of what a proposal looks like. The proposal on Moodle, the sample, is slightly different in some of the specifics that I've asked you to create, but it's a really good example of what a proposal looks like. And then I just wanted you to review, we looked at this a couple of weeks ago, but this will help you as you're working on your draft. And that is what we're doing this week. You have an optional discussion post due on Wednesday if you'd like. It's optional. It goes towards increasing your baseline B in the class. The other thing, you basically have this whole week to work on your rough draft, which will be due on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. And this should be a full working draft with all of the requirements from pages 1 through 4 of this project handout. And of course, last but not least, we've got the labor log, which we are all getting into the habit of doing weekly. So let's look at this on Moodle. You can see the sample proposal here, the reading to review, our week 11 discussion, which is optional. This week is kind of just a space for us to create a little bit of joy in the world. I know that things have been bananas this semester with everything that's going on, both at the college and in your personal lives and at a national level. So I thought we would just kind of slow down this week and have a chance to share a little bit of joy. So what's something that made you happy recently? It could be something you saw, something you read, something that happened to you. My only caveat is remember that you're sharing this with everyone in their English 109 class, so be audience aware and mindful of that. But let's create a little bit of space for us to have some happiness and see some things that make us laugh or smile. That's the optional discussion post due this week. And then, of course, your workshop rough draft is due on Sunday, and you will be able to submit it here. So if you have questions about anything, please let me know.